You understand English, but when you try to speak, you forget words, right? Today, I will show you how simple pictures and slow English can help you remember words and speak English more fluently. Just give it a try. First, listen. Then, practice with me. And finally, test yourself and see how much easy speaking English can be. Let's start.
When I was 20, I wanted everything fast. I wanted a good job. I wanted to be successful. Now I know, don't hurry, take your time. I thought money was everything. Now I think differently. Money is important, but money's not everything. You need balance. I was afraid of making mistakes. I wanted to be perfect, but mistakes help us learn. It's okay to make mistakes, just keep going. Enjoy today. I always thought about tomorrow. I forgot to enjoy the day. Enjoy the little things. Spend time with people you love. Be thankful.
Now, try to shadow me. Try to read the sentences with me. And then, when the music plays, look at the pictures. Pay attention to the pictures. By the end of this video, you will feel the difference. Trust me. Episode 1. When I was 20, I wanted everything fast. When I was 20 or 20, I wanted everything fast. Fast as an adverb, like I run fast. I wanted everything fast. I wanted a good job. I wanted to be successful. 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 But now I know. Now I know. Don't hurry. Take your time. Listen and pay attention to the pictures.
When I was 20, I wanted everything fast. I wanted a good job. I wanted to be successful. Now I know, don't hurry, take your time.
Episode 2. I thought money was everything. I thought money was everything. Think, thought, thought. Again. Think, thought, thought. I thought money was everything. Now I think differently. I think differently. Differently. I think differently. Money is important. Important. Important? No. Important. Yes. Money is important, but money is not everything. Ala. You need balance. You need balance.
I thought money was everything. Now I think differently. Money is important, but money's not everything. You need balance.
Episode 3. I was afraid of making mistakes. I was afraid of making mistakes. I was afraid of making mistakes. I'm afraid of doing something. This is the structure. I'm afraid of doing something. I'm afraid. I wanted to be perfect. I wanted to be perfect. But mistakes help us learn. Mistakes help us learn. It's okay to make mistakes. It's okay to make mistakes. To make a mistake. To make a mistake. Ala. Just keep going. Just keep going. Continue. Listen. Pay attention to the pictures. Try to shadow. Like and subscribe for more English lessons.
I was afraid of making mistakes. I wanted to be perfect, but mistakes help us learn. It's okay to make mistakes, just keep going. Enjoy today.
After finishing this lesson, please check this playlist. Okay? Episode 4. I always thought about tomorrow. I always thought about tomorrow. Tomorrow. It's not tomorrow. No. Tomorrow. I always thought about tomorrow. I forgot to enjoy today. I forgot to enjoy today. Today. Forget, forgot, forgotten. So, forget, forgot, forgotten. I forgot in the past, right? I forgot to enjoy today. Okay. Enjoy the little things. Ala. Enjoy the little things. Spend time with people you love. Spend time with people you love. Be thankful. Be thankful. Listen and try to shadow.
I always thought about tomorrow. I forgot to enjoy the day. Enjoy the little things. Spend time with people you love. Be thankful.
Now you have learned these words with the right pronunciation. You have seen the pictures and you can remember the words easily. You can even use these words to make sentences. For example, I think differently. I'm afraid of making mistakes. Be thankful. Take your time. Yes, you can make them, and you can make them easily. Now, test yourself.
Smooth as a silky pillowcase, slither in my innocent oasis. You bring the pain, I'll deliver patience. I see the lion and try to tame him. I know the werewolf behind the sheep, familiar the scent of deceit behind your pretty teeth. Say you need space to breathe, but what does that really mean? I don't believe when you said to me